That was a wonderful thing you just did for me. I can't believe this is coming out of my mouth, but I love you.
So you got a tank. Big whoop. Want to fight about it?
I'm glad that Superstore USA is gone. That place was nothing but trouble.
And I think we learned something. Any problem caused by a tank can be solved by a tank.
Dad, you were about to say something in the store.
No, I don't think so.
No, I'm sure of it.
I don't know, something about Hardcastle or McCormick?
No, you were going to say you loved me. You love me, and you know it.
Hey, mouth, young lady.
Well, you think you'll look for another job, Meg?